Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, universal garage door opener. Come take a test drive today.